The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Technica stands as a testament to Lamborghini's engineering prowess, blending aggressive aesthetics with cutting-edge performance. In a comprehensive review by CarWow, the Huracan Technica is showcased as the final iteration of Lamborghini's V10 lineage, marking the end of an era for naturally aspirated engines in the brand's lineup. Design and aesthetics. The Huracan Technica's design is a harmonious blend of form and function. Its aerodynamic enhancements, including a revised front splitter and rear diffuser, not only contribute to its striking appearance but also improve downforce and stability at high speeds. The Technica's silhouette is both aggressive and elegant, embodying Lamborghini's design philosophy. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the Technica houses a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, delivering exhilarating performance. The engine's responsiveness and linear power delivery provide an engaging driving experience. The rear-wheel drive configuration, combined with a recalibrated suspension system, offers precise handling and a connection to the road that enthusiasts will appreciate. Interior and technology. Inside, the Huracan Technica features a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and advanced technology. The infotainment system is intuitive, and the digital instrument cluster provides essential information with clarity. While the cabin maintains a minimalist approach, it doesn't compromise on comfort or functionality. Driving experience. On the road, the Huracan Technica delivers a visceral driving experience. The V10's roar is both exhilarating and emblematic of Lamborghini's commitment to performance. The car's dynamics shine on twisty roads, where its balance and agility come to the forefront. The Technica's ability to transition seamlessly from daily driving to spirited performance makes it a versatile supercar. Conclusion. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Technica encapsulates the essence of Lamborghini's V10 heritage. It offers a blend of design, performance, and technology that pays homage to its predecessors while setting a benchmark for future models. As the final chapter in the Huracan story, the Technica ensures that the V10 legacy concludes on a high note.